There. Where is the mixer? So, where's my shoe? Come carry my shoe. Come out. You did that 17. Of course, that's why they won't pack my things up so that they'll just clean the bed. Bless you, but get me zip that this thing. Yes, guys. So this is the outcome of my makeup. How do I look? Amazing, right? Yes. Joy, come and hold this phone. May they see my dress well. Are you seeing me clearly?
Yes.
Yo, guys, I am ready. Ready. Yo, this is what I'm wearing. This is my outfit and makeup by my girl. Glitz.
Fine. Check.
Glitz what? The beautician. Glitz the beautician. So, Joy, you won't carry this to follow me, go reach downstairs. So, sweetie, are we ready? My boyfriend is here.
Boyfriend of life.
My guy is here.
Boyfriend of life, but we are not married.
My boyfriend is here.
Yeah.
See my guy.
Not the see, we are
See
not
my
married.
G.
We are not
See my
married.
G.
We are
My
boyfriend
husband.
for life. Alright?
Okay, guys, let me introduce you to my brother.
Oh yeah.
I've known Blessing for over 12 years.
Okay.
In fact, my first visit to Asaba, now bless the house I stay, me and Pato Tokiti. He has been a brother, he has been a friend. For my present, I toast your wife. Come marry him. When you want to marry me, you can't believe.
Are we live?
We are live. People are watching you. Oh. So this guy here is married. Stay off him. Now let me get right to hold him like this.
No. We have reservation.
You're married,
Blessing. I'm married now, of course. Yes.
You're married, Blessing.
Of course, yes.
Respect that. Okay. Where are my glasses? Where are my eyeglasses?
Check that back.
But I carried it for yesterday, Abby?
Yes.
I think I wore it. I was on my She said we'll carry him.
Let me check that bag.
I that glass. I go cry. Oh, Joy, come find her. Come find her. Oh.
Yeah, live for you now.
Yes, now we are live.
Hello. How you guys
people.
doing, man?
That's Blessing.
We're here to thank you and
my
thank
brother.
you and thank
Is
you
it
guys.
There? Monkey. That's my brother from another mother.
Life and direct.
Now we there here.
Now we on this roof. In this building. Now we.
Blessing, go there do film. You are not seeing his face. Why you want to see his face? Why do you want to see his face? For what? Look at him. Let's say I hate you. Do you know I hate you so much?
Oh God.
Oh yeah, babes, let's go. Carry this thing. I'm not gonna charge them.
Oh, you know what? I carry my own.
This thing.
Mama, I carry my own. No worries.
Where this thing? Joy, you don't lost this thing like that.
Mama,
why?
Mommy, I will give you my own.
As I giving me your own. What if your own? Which
no,
one?
charger. The charger I will give
Where?
you. I get.
You say they be.
I'll carry if I come on Monday. On Monday I'll give you. Now, show you.
Oh no, I buy for you. How many you want?
I need like 2. My guy say go buy for me.
I'll buy you. Don't worry.
Prince Annie is not here. See Prince Annie representative. They're talking to my younger brother. Thank you guys. So how is the makeup? How is the outcome? I told you guys that it's gonna blow your mind. It's gonna blow your beautiful mind. And yes, I did. What you put for inside here? Not too packed. Give me one. Put that for inside. In case I lost one, I go use one.
Mommy, where the other charger? Where I give you? Wait.
It inside pair this thing.
Asaba can no.
You guys can leave things in the car. So if we come, we'll carry them. Have you taken your things? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
So you hold them. Since you're ready, you hold the light for me.
Okay.
Oh, you still live?
I'm gonna be live till I get downstairs. Take. So we're leaving. You're ready, right? Go tell them.
Someone said you should dash them your hair.
Really? Yep. Dash you.
I dash my back hair.
Yeah, it's fine. So Blessing, first of all, go to where I will change the money.
Aww. So beautiful. You are too beautiful. I bet me all this thing.
No,
Put that earrings on my bag.
Let me see which
Where is the meat pie? You don't carry am.
See, I'm for you. Now get your front now. Oh my God, mom, this is fine, sha.
I don't get to. Why you know you carry me by yourself?
Me?
Joy, come on your head for my natural is rain. No, people can talk rubbish. I feel like strangling them. This one is natural is the.
Can you show me? What are you showing?
Mommy, you are the one. Who,
It's me that you're
it's
like,
you
don't
that
like.
you are the only one who like.
Passing, showing us, putting us.
You guys should see me. Don't worry.
Can you stop?
If you want hair, I can dash you my bad hair. Very good bad hair.
Yeah. Very good bye. Oh God.
Hey God.
Joy, get one cellophane and put cotton board, cotton wool for ear.
Yes.
Cotton board. Fine, I'll give you.
Okay, you want
So
to
inside
Oh,
this
is it in your bag? Do you have?
I have.
inside this luggage.
If she has, it's okay. So let's go.
I have enough.
Let's take a walk, babe. Let's move. We move.
Let me put it inside.
We move. We move.
This is very cool.
Where is the key? Baby. We move. All leads to Anambra State.
Yes.
I'm here to support my boss of life,
Friday, brother.
a friend, a brother.
A very
Thank
nice
you.
man.
A very nice man.
Who is also a listener.
Are you called in charge of the live video? I swear. Oh my God. My friend is funny. So guys, we are stepping downstairs. When they bring the queue,
So guys, don't leave.
don't go away.
Don't touch it. Till tomorrow morning, we are here.
Oh my God. Yeah, we are going now. Let's go and support.
Are they aware in Asaba live?
Of course, they know we are in Asaba.
Asaba.
Asaba Kaino.
Asaba.
Asaba Nabia.
The chief.
Yeah, come and hold this life. Yeah, we are at Vienna Hotel. Hey guys, you guys can tell me I'm entitled to breakfast in the morning. You guys are going to pay me for that for 1 a.m. That's the makeup artist. Looking so sexy. Let's go, let's see. But I won't miss tomorrow's room. I must come down here.
No, this is.
In fact, I'll be here by 5 a.m. Oh my God. Yeah, guys.
Yeah, that.
Yeah, people. That. Like this.
Okay.
Yeah, people. Yeah, guys. We already. My shoe is in the bag, so don't worry.
What's the way? Are you good? I'll see you in the jiffy, okay?
Alright, guys. We love
I'll
you.
see you in
We're
the jiffy.
heading to Anambra right now, and I'll come back again when we're on our way, okay? Because I need to do a video with my phone right now. Which one do you use? Samsung, right?
Samsung.
And then video, do me video, you'll send me later.
Yeah, nah.
You send it now.
You got no problem, man. We are live here.
Do I need to not be live, just no one video? Okay, how are you? I'm coming to roll with you, okay? Hold on first, don't do it here.
We don't start this morning.
No, now why you start? Why I never start? Let's see.
I don't start.
Wait
now.
now.
This is how you focus.
Whoa, this is so fine. Oh my God, this is so lovely. Of course, obviously.
See, I'm at home. I thought the cream was back body. Is it cream was back? I don't even do my edges again. I carry edge cut.
Okay, so I'm gonna start them.
What a waste of.
Okay.
Action.
Hey guys, here Asaba. Yes, we are here, and right now all road leads to Anambra State. Yeah, I'm here. I'm turning up for one man I respect so much, Mr. Onas. Yes, today is his mother's burial, and I'm here to support him. So Anambra State, wait for your girl. Ebony is coming live. So where are my babes? Where are my babes in Asaba? Your girl, they here. They have to go. Makeup by Glint, the beautician, my daughter, my girl, my imported makeup artist.
I follow come.
Follow come. So very sad to look for a makeup artist in Asaba. But my girl, they chop her money too much.
Oh, wow.
But they pay like times 4.
She
No,
deserve.
now.
She deserve it.
It's not nice. I love you guys. I love you. Anna stays. I'm coming through. Kisses.
Okola.
Still hold my life. Let me see.
But it's more than 1 minute.
Of course, doesn't matter. You're sending it right away.
I got no data to send it. The volume down.
I don't make an announcement. Look at it.
I think you can send it to me on WhatsApp now. I'm posting right away. What do you want to do? Send it now. I'm posting right away.
Check your phone, it's there.
On my side. We use my other phone in the car. Okay, use that one.
Ebony or Passy.
Now you don't say my name.
No.
Why not use my bestie? What's wrong with you? Yo guys, yo people, we are about to leave. That's joy. Okay guys, we are getting to the car and that's my car over there. I want your left way.
They put it now. From there. We'll begin my nose when you come back.
But it's obvious. Anyway, I didn't know you had the phone now.
Carry like, it gets more, kind of like 5 kilo.
No, that's fine. That's no problem.
That's fine, that's fine.
Mm-hmm.
That's fine.
We can use ATM now, right? That's fine.
See,
So
what
guys,
we're gonna do now?
yes, tell him
If you
now.
tell me say you need mint, yes, I carry mint of 200 kg person.
Oh,
But more one for that
oh,
that charges.
hey, yeah. I don't know what I will get for the burial ground. Did they get like that for East?
The game, but not if the place is not a big place, you're supposed to.
But for Benin, they will use and embarrass you. Okay, tell him now. He knows where we can get the meat. Yeah, guys, that's my vehicle. The car is taking me to Anambra State. I love you guys. I love you. I love you. I love you. I'll come back again, guys. I'll come back.